Yes, well, that decelerated quickly. It really did. We had the economy. I don't want to laugh about this, but I mean, what else can you do? The economy contracted quite a bit in the first quarter of this year, Ted. It was down, according to StatsCan, by 0.6%. We were looking for an increase, actually, of 0.2%. But remember when Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz, in a sort of candid moment in an interview, said, yeah, first quarter probably going to be atrocious? He was right. It did slow, in fact, the most since 2009. Also remember the Bank of Canada cut interest rates back in January, that surprise move to reflect their concern about a struggling economic performance with the drop-off in oil. So all of this certainly borne out by the numbers from StatsCan this morning. And the U.S. wasn't doing any better. In fact, it contracted 0.7%, the worst performance it's seen since 2008. A lot of one-time factors, very strong U.S. dollar affecting trade disputes and port shutdowns in the States because of strike activity, and weather. Let's face it, the weather in the United States specifically was bad in various parts of the economy, so that curtailed consumer spending. So the question is, does the second quarter show improvement? Maybe. It's going to be a slow increase at best. And does this in any way, shape, or form lead to higher interest rates in the States later this year? Big talking point. Let's hope things do actually stabilize and we don't have to feel the need for any more interest rate reductions anytime soon. Had earnings in this morning from the Scotiabank to wrap up the second quarter earnings season for our big six Canadian banks. And again, above expectations on profit, $1.75 billion, up 2% year over year. And the bank's overseas operations doing very well. And they're actually buying back some stock by about 2% of the outstanding common shares. We have the markets kicking off the trading day today. Price for oil front and center, $58 a barrel. And next week, a week from today, in fact, OPEC sets quotas. Do they raise or cut in production at all? Yesterday, the U.S. supply level fell for the fifth week in a row. That was a surprise to the market. So we'll see how this goes. It's already the end of May. Last trading day of May coming up today. Time flies when you're having fun.
No kidding, no kidding. Thank you, Mike. Have a great weekend and stay classy. That's business editor Mike Eppel reporting this morning. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.